Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about 8th class computer lecture. In this, we will start the chapter first, that is the computer networking, in which we will discuss about the networking configuration, that are the two types, peer-to-peer network and client-server network. Now, we will also discuss about the advantage of the computer and component of network. When we combine network, when we connect all the computer with a network, then what are the component we are required? So these are the component we have to require. Now, we will discuss what are the types of network. What are the types of network? There are various type of computer network. Generally, following types of network are यूज्ड। अब हम देखेंगे कि किस तरीके से हमारे कंप्यूटर्स हैं वो नेटवर्क के साथ कनेक्टेड होते हैं। जैसे अपने घरों में कंप्यूटर्स है वो नेटवर्क के साथ किस तरीके से कनेक्टेड है, जो हमारे स्कूल बिल्डिंग्स वगैरह में जो कंप्यूटर वो किस तरीके से नेटवर्क से कनेक्टेड है। देन द फर्स्ट टाइप इज लेन, दैट इज लोकल एरिया network. A LAN is a computer network that cover only a small graphical area, usually within a square miles or less, such as an office, homes, a building. This type of network does not consist more than 100 computers. Now, LAN, local network, local area network. In local area network, all the computers that are present in a school, in a building, in a office, that are connected. That computer are connected by a network. Which type? Then this type of network we will call लोकल एरिया नेटवर्क, जिसके अंदर हमारे थोड़े से एरिया के अंदर जो कंप्यूटर्स आपस में कनेक्ट है, जैसे ऑफिस में हो गए, होम्स, जो बिल्डिंग्स वगैरह है उनमें हुए, तो उनको हम बोलेंगे लोकल एरिया नेटवर्क। नाउ सेकंड वन इज द मैन। सेकंड वन इज द मैन। नाउ व्हाट इज ए मैन? ए मेट्रोपॉलिटन एरिया नेटवर्क. In this, MAN is designed to extend over the entire city. It may be single network as a cable TV network or by a means of connecting a number of lanes into a larger number of networks, so that the source may be shared two different segments. MAN is totally owned or operated by a private company or may be service provided by a public company that is owned or operated by a single entity such as government bodies or large cooperative. So what is a MAN? MAN is a metropolitan area network in which all it will cover the area of an entire city. It will cover an area of an entire city, a whole city like Delhi, Kolkata, Mumbai. These are the cities. So this whole city network will be work as a metropolitan area network. It will be held by a private company, that it will be owned by a private company, and they will provide the network to a local area network. So this private company will provide to school buildings. All these are the networks. इसके अंदर हमारे क्या है, जो पूरे होल सिटीज हैं उनके एरियाज को, उनके नेटवर्क्स को हम आपस में मतलब कनेक्ट करते हैं, पूरी सिटी के एरियाज के, जिसके अंदर हमारे छोटे जो नंबर ऑफ लेन्स भी कनेक्टेड होती हैं, कनेक्टिंग ए नंबर ऑफ लेन्स। जैसे हमारे स्कूल की बिल्डिंग होगी तो जितने भी मान के चलो एक सिटी के अंदर 100 स्कूल, तो उन 100 स्कूल को जहां से नेटवर्क मिल रहा है वो हमारा क्या होगा, मेट्रोपॉलिटन एरिया नेटवर्क. इट विल बी रन बाय ए प्राइवेट कंपनी. ठीक है, इट विल बी रन बाय ए प्राइवेट कंपनी एंड एन government body or large corporation. So this is a metropolitan area network. Now the next one is wide area network, that is WAN. Wide area network, that is WAN. What is WAN? WAN is a system of many interconnected computers over a large geographical area as a city, states, country, or even the whole world. These kind of network uses telephone line, satellite links, and other larger communication technologies to connect the internet. Now, wide area network. In the wide area network, we can connect all the whole country network. We can connect all the whole country network, cities network, states network. In this, we will use a like a telephone line. That is, this is a vein. This is a vein. In this, one city, second city, third city, fourth city. Now, the number of cities of a country will be connected. So, it can cover a whole country. It can cover a whole country and a whole world. It can also contain a whole वर्ड. सो इसके अंदर हमारा क्या होता है कि हम पूरी की पूरी कंट्री को, पूरे के पूरे संसार, पूरे वर्ल्ड को भी हम क्या कर सकते हैं, कवर कर सकते हैं. इसके अंदर हमारे जो नेटवर्क्स का यूज करेंगे, जिससे हमें मिलेगा वो नेटवर्क्स यूजेस टेलीफोन लाइन या सैटेलाइट लिंक्स. दैट द सैटेलाइट दैट इज प्रेजेंट in the space, they provide the network for the whole countries. So they use telephone lines, satellites, link and longer communication technology for providing internet. So this is a wide area network. Now the next one is VPN, virtual private network. VPN is a virtual private network. VPN uses a technique known as tunneling to transfer data security on the internet. VPN uses a technology known as tuning to transfer data security on a network to a remote access server on your workshop network. A VPN helps to save money by using a public internet instead of making long distance phone call to connect security with your private network. There are two ways to create VPN connection, either by dialing a internet service provider ISP or connecting directly to the internet. So VPN, it is a kind of network in which we can use our personal network. We can use our personal network. VPN can save money that in the public network it will use not a public network. It can make we can connect in by this a phone call to connect security with private network. There is two types that we can create a VPN. We can create a VPN either by dialing and either by इंटरनेट सर्विस प्रोवाइडेड. तो VPN एक हमारा एक तरीके से इस तरीके का नेटवर्क है जिसके अंदर हम क्या करते हैं कि खुद का एक प्रकार से नेटवर्क हो जाएगा जिसके अंदर हमें VPN एक क्रिएट करना पड़ता है. उसमें उसको हम आइदर बाय डायलिंग क्रिएट कर सकते हैं एंड आइदर बाय इंटरनेट सर्विस प्रोवाइडर के थ्रू हम क्या कर सकते हैं, क्रिएट कर सकते हैं. सो दिस इज द VPN. सो दीज आर द types of network that we will use in our daily life and that we will use for connecting the server to the networks. So this is your homework is you have to write all these type. You have to write about all these type and also learn about all these type. You have to also learn about all these type. So this is your today's homework. And this is the end of your lecture. Thank you.